Poland condemns half of Europe still hoping for better relations with Moscow. Polish Deputy Prime Minister Peter Glinski criticized the opposition parties and half of Europe for still hoping for better relations with Moscow and for wanting a quick end to the conflict in Ukraine. He warned that criticism of relations between Russia and the EU could return to pre-crackdown levels. Polish Foreign Minister Marcin Posiadacz proposed that Russia be required to pay World War II reparations, as was done with Germany. Dow drops after Fed rate hike, continues to evaluate economic data. The U.S. Federal Reserve increased interest rates by 0.25% and signaled a possible pause in June, leading to a 0.8% drop in the Dow Jones Industrial Average and a 0.7% drop in the S&P 500. Bank stocks declined sharply, while tech stocks like Alphabet and Meta closed with minor fluctuations. Apple is expected to report earnings, and Eli Lilly and Company has announced positive results for an Alzheimer's treatment. Stocks for Kraft Heinz and Starbucks rose slightly. Apple pockets $990 million in just 4 days. Apple has earned over $990 million in just the first 4 days of offering a high-interest savings service, attracting 240,000 accounts. Apple's partner in providing the savings service is Goldman Sachs Bank USA under the Marcus brand, with an interest rate of 4.15%, higher than traditional savings accounts. Some other digital banks also offer higher interest rates, but Apple and Goldman's biggest advantage may lie in the seamless user experience and integration with the iPhone. Fed's Powell says don't assume Fed can protect U.S. economy from default. Fed Chair Powell said the Fed cannot protect the economy from the negative consequences of failing to raise the debt ceiling and called for urgent action from Congress and the Biden administration. Treasury Secretary Yellen warned that defaulting on the debt ceiling will cause severe hardship to American families and harm the U.S. global leadership position. President Biden has summoned top congressional leaders to the White House on May 9 to address the issue. World gold prices rise after Fed signals pause in interest rate hikes. Gold prices rose after the Fed signaled a pause in interest rate hikes and evaluated the impact of bank collapses. Spot gold rose 1.13% to $2,039 per ounce, and futures contracts rose 0.7% to $2,037 per ounce. The US dollar fell 0.6%, making gold cheaper. Gold prices rose 1% in April as the U.S. bank crisis led to a surge in safe haven assets.